Biomolecules. Generally, biomolecules are nothing but our syllabus containing carbohydrates, amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins, hormones. But generally, our food containing what biomolecules? Generally, our food containing what? अच्छा, carbohydrates we know carbohydrates, each and everything what we eat is nothing but carbohydrates. As a biologist, you might know very well these carbohydrates. अच्छा, amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins. These are NCERT syllabus. Apart from NCERT syllabus, some others also there. Enzymes are there, like hormones also there. But this is not given in NCERT. NCERT textbook they given this is only carbohydrates, amino acids, proteins, nucleic acid, vitamins. One by one we are going to discuss. Achha, hormones are not given in NCERT textbook, but hormones also come under the biomolecule category. Chalo. What are carbohydrates? How can we define the carbohydrates? अच्छा, carbohydrate and carbohydrate different. देखो, initial definition है. Initial, what are initial definition है? Carbohydrates मतलब CXHY. और carbohydrates देखो carbohydrates difference is there na, the CXH2O taken by it. This is initial definition. This is not the latest definition. Earlier definition. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. अच्छा देखो, carbohydrates are called carbohydrates. Of course, later this is discarded because, for example, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6. I put here x is equal to 6. I put x is equal to 6, y is equal to 6. Then it becomes C6H12O6. Glucose, fructose, mannose, etc. These are nothing but carbohydrates. But this is not true for all cases. For example, in case of acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid. देखो C2H4O, like sugarite C2H2O taken twice. But its formula, acetic acid resembles with the carbohydrate formula, but acetic acid is not a carbohydrate. Some limitations are, some ambiguity is there in carbohydrates. That's why later discarded it. Carbohydrates का मतलब polyhydroxy aldehydrogenase of ketones. Optically add to polyhydroxy aldehydrogenase and ketones. That we discussed latest definition. This is inflection point. What are carbohydrates? What are carbohydrates? Difference है. Hydrides की and hydrates की difference. Hydrates ante hydrogen only. Hydrate ante water. Simple definition of carbohydrates and hydrocarbons. Difference. Simple difference. चलो देखते हैं further. So carbohydrates are primarily produced by plants and animals. What source they are telling that? What are the source of carbohydrates? Some common examples are also they are given. अच्छा, common example cane sugar. We call it cane sugar. अच्छा, for your kind information, we know table salt is NaCl, table sugar is a sucrose. अच्छा, we call it cane sugar. I think the market also we can see cane sugar juice also. Nothing but carbohydrate. Directly how to take it. For diabetic patients, they avoid the. Their doctors are suggesting don't take direct carbohydrates ever diet. Because directly they enter into the blood. Right? So carbohydrates. Some example, cane sugar, glucose, like fructose, starch, etc. These are the carbohydrates. Chalo now. अच्छा, carbohydrate. अच्छा, I discussed the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. Hydrate is nothing but water. Carbohydrate. अच्छा, general formula देखो CX. Carbon plus water. Hydrate का मतलब water. Simplest ratio क्या है carbohydrate का देखो. 1:2:1. अच्छा, what I said. Simple, you remember the simple formula CXH2O taken y times. Of course, this is not applicable to all the compounds. Even some compound having no, not having this formula, even though those are carbohydrates, raffinose, etc. But some compound having this formula, but even though it is not a carbohydrate, That's why this definition is discarded later stages. अच्छा ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मूला देख लीजिए, ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मूला मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला एंड एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला, इसका एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला भी देख लीजिए। अच्छा ग्लूकोज है ये एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला, राइट। अच्छा देखो सुक्रोज है, लाइक फ्रक्टोज है, एनीवन सुक्रोज है, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला C12H22 बोले सुक्रोज, केन शुगर बोले। अच्छा give simplest formula रास्ता में, these are called carbohydrates because this formula applicable to CH2 taken by that, that's why these are called carbohydrates. But let us say these are discarded. I will tell you why these are discarded, right? General formula can be written as CH2 taken by times. General formula how we write CH2 taken by times, right? The most common sugar used in our homes is called sucrose. What I said. And the common salt is as NaCl. Common sugar is sucrose. Sucrose. The sugar present in the milk is nothing but lactose. These are all carbohydrates. Achha, lactose on the sugar. Sorry, milk on the sugar, lactose. Achha, exception also is accepted. Acetic acid formula seems to be carbohydrate formula, na? Because acetic acid and C2H4O2, nothing but C2H2O taken twice, nothing but CxH2O taken by times. This formula is related to the carbohydrate, but it really is not a carbohydrate. Later this modification is redefined. Optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes and ketones. And the OH group and aldehyde group or OH group and keto group. Polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones are said to be carbohydrates because of this ambiguity. Later this ambiguity is removed and only one definition is given. Optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes is ketones. Such a definition how they can define. Optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes मतलब aldehydes or ketones, nothing but ketones. Latest definition is for a kind of information you take a glucose है, glucose में देखो CHO 2 3 4 5 6 देखो, अच्छा 3RH later we discuss. अच्छा यहाँ OH, यहाँ OH, यहाँ OH, यहाँ देखो यहाँ अच्छा पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी 1 2 3 4 4 हाइड्रोक्सी पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी. अच्छा aldehyde or ketone, this is glucose is aldehyde है, in case of fructose ketone, right? Like optically active because we know how many optical isomers are possible, 2 or 4 optical isomers are possible. Optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes ketones are said to be carbohydrates. This is the latest definition because some ambiguity is there, some exceptions are there. Those ambiguity exceptions are modified, rectified, and further final definition is given. Optically active polyhydroxyaldehydes and ketones are said to be carbohydrates. Now you can see the example. You can see the compound that deviates from carbohydrate classification. Which compound? Glucose? No. We are very familiar. Sucrose? No. Fructose? No. Then acetic acid. Acetic acid having same formula, but it really is not a carbohydrate. Like raffinose is a not same formula, but it is a carbohydrate because optically active aldehydes are ketones. Polyhydroxyaldehydes are ketones are said to be carbohydrates. Now classification of carbohydrates. Classifications are based on so many types. Based on taste, sugars and non-sugars. Based on saccharides and monosaccharides and oligosaccharides and polysaccharides and different reduced sugar and non-reduced sugar and we can discuss one by one. Because carbohydrates are classified saccharides. Saccharon means sugar. Saccharides means those carbohydrates there is not undergoes any hydrolysis called monosaccharides. But some saccharides, when undergoes hydrolysis, produce 2 to 9 units of monosaccharides is called oligosaccharides. Polysaccharides means more than 9 to 10 monosaccharides are called oligosaccharides. We can discuss one by one. Polysaccharides. अच्छा देखो, monosaccharides है. Then second one is oligosaccharides है. Third one is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. अच्छा, monosaccharides never undergoes hydrolysis. For example, you take a glucose. Glucose never undergoes hydrolysis. अच्छा, you take a cup of water. In that glucose you can add. Glucose cannot be decomposed. Glucose is soluble in water. Glucose is not decomposed in water. So glucose is a monosaccharide, fructose is a monosaccharide because further there is no chemical reaction, further there is no hydrolysis reactions. अच्छा देखो example है monosaccharide, the carbohydrate that cannot be hydrolyzed further. अच्छा glucose never undergoes hydrolysis, fructose never undergoes hydrolysis, like raffinose never undergoes, mannose never undergoes hydrolysis. अच्छा example भी देखो. अच्छा, about 20 monosaccharides are occurring in nature, but among 20, very few are given NCERT syllabus. एक glucose given, एक fructose given, एक mannose given. Very rare cases, sir. Examples are what are given in NCERT test. Glucose, fructose, ribose, etc. Very few examples are given. Mannose also, raffinose also monosaccharides, right? Now oligosaccharides. 2 to 10 monosaccharides anhydrous. Best example is sucrose. Best example is sucrose. अच्छा C12 H22 O11. Anhydrolysis. अच्छा एक molecule of glucose है, एक molecule of fructose है. अच्छा later we discuss why glucose, why fructose है. एक molecule of glucose है, एक molecule of fructose है. Means this undergoes hydrolysis. It gives 2 monosaccharides. Like suppose I will take lactose है, एक molecule of galactose है, एक molecule of glucose है. So I will take maltose है, 2 molecules of glucose है. So मतलब here these oligosaccharides, what are oligosaccharides? Those carbohydrates on hydrolysis gives 2 to 10 monosaccharide units. Those are said to be oligosaccharides. Those are said to be oligosaccharides. अब देख लीजिए 2 to 10 monosaccharides are said to be oligosaccharides. These are disaccharides, trisaccharides, tetrasaccharides. All these are examples for oligosaccharides only. देखो basic sucrose. Sucrose అంటే ఏంటి? Glucose, fructose. Maltose లో ఉంటుంది 2 moles of glucose. Lactose లో galactose and glucose ఉంటుంది. అంటే on hydrolysis, sucrose on hydrolysis gives glucose and fructose. Maltose on hydrolysis gives glucose and like 2 moles of glucose. These are examples for oligosaccharides. Now polysaccharides. Best example is a starch, inulin, cellulose. All these are examples for polysaccharide because these are hydrolysis gives n number of more than 10 monosaccharide units. Nothing but polysaccharides. Generally polysaccharides are non-sugars only. Look at examples: starch, cellulose, glycogen, gums, inulin, etc. But our syllabus containing these starch, cellulose, and glycogen only. Our NCERT syllabus containing these 3 only. That's why these 3 are given examples. These are polysaccharides only. Now, classification of monosaccharides. Classification of monosaccharides. Classification of monosaccharides based on number of carbon atoms and function groups. अच्छा 5 carbon अनुकोंडे, pentose अनि, 6 अनुकोंडे, hexose अनि, tetrose अनि, triose अनि. Based on number of carbon atoms. Now, based on number of carbon atoms, this is not much important, but you can see the number of carbon atoms. Aldehyde అయితే aldose అని, ketone అయితే ketosis అని. Very simple classification. You can see సింపుల్ క్లాస్ ట్రైయోస్ అని, టెట్రోస్ అని, పెంటోస్ అని. మీకు RNA and DNA లో ఉండేది పెంటోస్. The sugar present in ribose, deoxyribose and ribose. RNA DNA లో sugar ఒకసారి అడిగారు కూడా NEET లో. But of course biology students you might know very well all these compounds. Acha, based on a number, don't worry, this is based on numbers only. Acha, 3 number is triose, 4 is tetrose, pentose, hexose. This is nothing special. Acha, aldose antam, ketose antam. Aldose are ketose. Aldehyde group function group CHO unte aldose antam, CW1O unte ketose antam. Based on classification, based on number of carbon atoms. Acha, mostly glucose lo manaki hexose antam. Fructose lo kuda hexose gaani 5 member ring antam. Pyranose ring, furanose ring, that I can discuss. Right? So these are aldehyde aithenamo aldose, ketone aithe ketose. Right? Based on number of carbon atoms classification. Acha, ribose is. Chapandi, ribose ani. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide. Ribose. Because further no undergoes hydrolysis. Right? Ribose is a 5 member ring. Polysaccharide. Glucose is not a polysaccharide. Acha, sucrose is not a polysaccharide. Starch, best example. Fructose. These are monosaccharide, disaccharide, monosaccharide. But given options may only polysaccharide. Starch is the example of polysaccharide. Now this next classification of the based on what? Based on the function. So aldehydes and ketones. Only 2 are. Acha, based on taste and solubility. Taste and solubility and sugars, reducing sugars, non-reducing sugars. Sugars lo mali sugars, non-sugars. Sugars lo mali reducing, non-reducing sugars. Every time they are asking the question, which are the following is non-reducing sugar? Which are the following is reducing sugar? You can check it the previously asked question, NEET examination. Frequently asking the question, which of the following is not a reduced sugar? Sucrose. Acha, I said already definition. Once again, you can check or note down, take a screenshot. Optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes are ketones. Optically active polyhydroxy means more than 2 OH groups, 3 OH groups, 4 OH groups, 5 OH groups, along with some aldehyde or ketone. Acha, glucose containing hydroxy group and aldehyde. Fructose containing aldehyde groups are ketone group only. So polyhydroxy aldose ketones are said to be carbohydrates. Latest definition of carbohydrate. Optically active. Some compulsory they can exhibit optical isomerism. Optically active compound. Optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes or ketones are said to be carbohydrates. This is the latest definition. Classification also based on function groups and aldehydes or ketones. Acha, glucose is aldehyde, fructose is ketone, mannose is aldehyde. Acha, glucose. Acha, I said very simple. Glucose na manaki oka aldehyde group undi, oka primary alcoholic group undi, 4 secondary alcoholic groups. Acha, meeku ila cheppanu meeku gurtunda ledha okasari malli okasari I can repeat. I am repeating this one. Whenever glucose is given, you have to remember 3 RH. Kya 3 RH? Third carbon right hand side. Third carbon right hand side. अच्छा देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third carbon में तो right hand ఉంటుంది. Remaining अन्नी कोड़ा left carbon में होता. अच्छा glucose आप याद करो glucose ही 3 RH है. Glucose 3 RH है. Acha, mannose, suppose mannose also same molecular formula. Mannose also same molecular formula. You remember याद करना 2RH plus 3RH. Suppose I want to change glucose into mannose है. ये क्या करूँगा मैंने second carbon में वही इधर and H इधर. I can change this word this way. Mannose के लिए same molecular formula. Difference is the bonding में difference है 2RH and 3RH. That's why glucose and mannose are called C2 epimers antam. C2 configuration different C2 epimers antam. Glucose and mannose are C2 epimers because entire is same configuration, second configuration only different. Like गैलेक्टोज, गैलेक्टोज क्या है? गैलेक्टोज क्या है? 2RH प्लस 4RH, ये गैलेक्टोज। अच्छा, ग्लूकोज का मैनस का गैलेक्टेज का डिफरेंस ये वाला है। 3RH सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला में 3RH इज नथिंग बट ग्लूकोज है, 2RH प्लस 3RH इज मैनस है, 2RH and 4RH is a galactose. So that's why glucose mannose are called C2Bmers hai. For a kind information, glucose and mannose are called C2Bmers hai. मतलब except C2, remaining all are same in glucose and mannose only. Except C2, glucose and mannose, except C2, these are C2Bmers hai. Glucose and galactose, C4Epimers. And a C2 configuration different to C4 configuration different. Remaining all carbons are same, glucose and mannose, glucose and galactose. These are called epimers only. अच्छा, first carbon में difference is called anomers only. Second carbon में difference is called epimers only. देखो, according to the latest definition of carbohydrate, glucose is carbohydrate. Polyhydroxy aldehyde compound. Optically active polyhydroxy aldehyde compound, nothing but glucose. अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन है ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में पूछेंगे. They will ask the question in objective questions. So mannose, glucose and mannose, glucose and galactose, etc. These questions they can ask. अच्छा, ये वाला ग्लूकोज 3RH याद करना, 3RH है ग्लूकोज में अल्काइल ग्रुप है. अच्छा, ऑल्डिहाइड ग्रुप भी ऑल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है. पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी अल्काइल्स, पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी ऑल्डिहाइड ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी ऑल्डिहाइड, पॉलीहाइड्रोक्सी ऑल्डिहाइड. हाउ मेनी OH ग्रुप्स आर काउंट करो? 1 2 3 4. अच्छा, ये प्राइमरी अल्काइल है, ये जीरो सेकेंडरी अल्काइल. समटाइम्स आस्क हाउ मेनी प्राइमरी अल्काइल? ओनली वन प्राइमरी अल्काइल. हाउ मेनी सेकेंडरी अल्काइल? 1 2 3 4 4 सेकेंडरी अल्काइल. Right, this is nothing but carbohydrates. Now ये देखो, फ्रक्टोज भी 3RH है, फ्रक्टोज भी 3RH है, बट इट इज अ कीटोन है. ऑल्डिहाइड, ग्लूकोज ऑल्डिहाइड, दिस इज अ कीटोन है. अच्छा, याद करना, यहां भी याद करना. अच्छा, यहां भी याद करना. देखो क्या याद करना है, यहां पे 3RH है. थर्ड कार्बन राइट हैंड साइड हाइड्रोजन. अच्छा, 1 2 3 4 5 6. देखो थर्ड कार्बन में राइट हैंड साइड, थर्ड कार्बन में राइट हैंड साइड. अच्छा, ग्लूकोज भी 3RH है, फ्रक्टोज भी 3RH है, बट डिफरेंस क्या है? ग्लूकोज में फर्स्ट कार्बन में ऑल्डिहाइड है, फ्रक्टोज में सेकंड कार्बन में कीटो ग्रुप है. ये कीटो वाला ग्रुप है. देखो, एक कीटो ग्रुप, बट ग्लूकोज ऑल्डिहाइड. Glucose, fructose both are nothing but carbohydrate, because optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes or ketones are said to be carbohydrates. This is the definition of carbohydrates and the fructose structure also, right? This is polyhydroxy ketone. Previously polyhydroxy aldehyde, polyhydroxy ketone also, polyhydroxy aldehyde also. This is called carbohydrates. Sucrose. Sucrose on hydrolysis gives 2 moles, 1 mole of glucose, 1 mole of fructose. Glucose polyhydroxy aldehyde, polyhydroxy ketone. So sucrose is also nothing but carbohydrate only. अच्छा, upon hydrolysis of a carbohydrates, we obtain PHA and PHA. PHA means polyhydroxy aldehyde, PHK means polyhydroxy ketone. So any compound on hydrolysis or its own having Polyhydroxy aldehydes or ketones are said to be carbohydrates. So this is latest definition of carbohydrates. Right? Achha, based on taste and soluble. Sugars are soluble in water and non-sugars are insoluble in water. Starch is insoluble in water. Of course, hot water में soluble होता है starch, but cold water में insoluble है. अच्छा, sugars are non-sugars. अच्छा, non-sugar के अंदर में example है all polysaccharides are non-sugars. अच्छा, sugars are crystalline है. देखो. These are insoluble in water है. मतलब this is soluble in water. अच्छा, sugars और non-sugars देखो यार. Sugars are sweet taste है. अच्छा, no sweet taste, tasteless है. अच्छा, sweet taste है. Soluble in water है. अच्छा, crystalline है. Whereas these are amorphous हैं, tasteless है, but insoluble in water. Again, sugars again classified into two sugars: reduced sugars and non-reduced sugars. अच्छा, reduced sugars है non-reduced. अच्छा, for our kind of information, for our kind of information. For our kind of information. अच्छा, for example, all polysaccharides are polysaccharides are and sucrose also. अच्छा, disaccharide లో sucrose. ఎందుకంటే దానిలో ketonic group ఫ్రీగా ఉండదు, మనకి చెప్పుకున్న తర్వాత మనకి స్ట్రక్చర్ లో చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఫ్రక్టోజ్ sucrose స్ట్రక్చర్ లో ఫ్రీ ఎమిస్టర్ గ్రూప్ ఉండదు మనకి దానిలో. Sucrose is a non-reduced sugar. अच्छा, remaining all monosaccharides, oligosaccharides are example for reduced sugars. అంటే సిల్వర్ మినరల్ తో గాని బ్రోమిన్ వాటర్ తో గాని reduced sugars వస్తాయి. సిల్వర్ మినరల్ టెస్ట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ప్రాక్టికల్ ఆర్గానిక్ కెమిస్ట్రీ లో చేసి ఉంటారు, ప్రాక్టికల్ చేసి ఉంటే, రైట్? ఫెయిలింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ గాని టాలరెన్స్ లేని reduced sugars అంటే ఆల్డిహైడ్ కీటోన్ లో డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పుకుంటారు. మీ డౌట్ రావు సార్, మరి ఫ్రక్టోజ్ అనేది కీటోన్ కదా సార్, మళ్ళీ reduced sugars అని. ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ఐసోమరేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. ఫ్రక్టోజ్ మేనేజ్ అవుతుంది, మేనేజ్ గ్లూకోజ్ అవుతుంది. టాటోమెరియాలో డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం వై ఫ్రక్టోజ్ reduced sugar అంటే. ఓకే, ఆల్ఫా కీటో కాంపౌండ్స్ ఆల్సో reduced sugars అని చెప్పుకున్నాం మనం, గుర్తుందా లేదు? ఒకసారి నేను మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తాను స్ట్రక్చర్ అప్పుడు. All monosaccharides है, disaccharides in which aldehyde and ketonic groups are free, and except sucrose, remaining all oligosaccharides and monosaccharides are example for reduced sugars. Except sucrose. Sucrose is a non-reduced sugar. अच्छा, अभी तो क्वेश्चन अड़गने चांस ఉంది, అడిగారు కూడా. Which of the following is non-reduced sugar? Sucrose. अच्छा, polysaccharides ఇస్తే polysaccharide కూడా, కానీ వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు which of the following is non-reduced sugar in oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides లో non-reduced sugar అంటే sucrose ఒకటే కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. अच्छा, non-reduced sugar and they should not reduce the Fehling solution and Tollings solution. अच्छा, మీకు తెలుసు Fehling solution అంటే Tollings. Tollings అంటే సిల్వర్ మిర్రర్ వస్తుంది, రెడ్ పీపీటీ వస్తుంది. Fehling solution, రెడ్ పీపీటీ వస్తే రెడ్యూషన్ అయినట్టు, సిల్వర్ మిర్రర్ వస్తే రెడ్యూషన్ అయినట్టు. ఒకవేళ రెడ్యూస్ కాకపోతే నాన్ రెడ్యూస్ షుగర్స్ అన్నమాట. బికాజ్ ఆల్డిహైడ్ గ్రూప్ కానీ కీటో గ్రూప్ కానీ ఫ్రీగా ఉండదు ఇక్కడ. अच्छा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल देखो, बेस्ट एग्जांपल सुक्रोज. Sucrose is the best example, right? Chemically carbohydrates हैं, hydroxycarbonyl compound, correct है क्या? Carbonyl compound है aldehyde काవచ్చు, ketone काవచ్చు. Aldehyde ketone together is called carbonyl compound. Polyhydroxy carbon, not hydroxy, polyhydroxy, more than 2 అని చెప్తున్నా. ఒక hydroxy group ఉంటే కార్బన్ కాంపౌండ్ కాదు. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇక్కడ CH2OH CHO రాశాను అనుకోండి. It is not a carbohydrate. Aldehyde ఉంది, OH ఉంది. It is not a carbohydrate. Polyhydroxy, more than 2 OH should be there. Polyhydroxy aldehyde ketone, nothing but carbonyl compounds are said to be carbohydrates, right? The simplest ratio of carbon hydrogen in carbohydrates. What is the ratio? 1:2. You know, I think you remember the formula. This is the formula. CX H2O taken by times. Right? And so for example, X is equal to 6C6 H12O6 తీసుకున్నాను. At a C H2, right? Carbon hydrogen ratio, not oxygen ratio they are asking, only carbon hydrogen ratio they are asking. Now preparation structure of glucose. At least today we'll finish glucose and next class we go for fructose structures. अच्छा glucose. अच्छा, this is most naturally abundant sugar. Nowadays, I think 50% populations are suffering from diabetes. The reason is glucose is not converted into glycogen in our body. If sufficient hormone, insulin is produced in our body, directly glucose is converted into glycogen. If not converted into glycogen, the problem is uptake. There is nothing but diabetic, right? Glucose. Achha, where glucose is found generally? A source they are asking. Major source of glucose found in grapes, honey, and human blood. That's why my blood lo unna kabatti manaki telida. Kada. Otherwise, we are very happy. If you are suffering from diabetic, nothing but our blood containing is glucose. Human blood is major source. Where are the major source of the carbohydrates? Are found in grapes, honey, and human blood. Right? Right. I think as a biologist, no need to introduction for blood. Preparation of glucose. Laboratory method. Take one by one. Laboratory method. Sucrose ne manu hydrolyze cheste. One molecule of glucose, one molecule of fructose. One of the preparation methods of glucose. Sucrose and hydrolyze. Maltose hydrolyze cheste kuda. So glucose and hydrolysis. Cane sugar kada hydrolysis cheste one molecule of glucose, one molecule of fructose. One molecule of glucose, one molecule of fructose. Cane sugar and hydrolysis use glucose and fructose. Then glucose and fructose separated. Then you want only glucose. So one of the preparation is the glucose. How to separate glucose from fructose? This is a question, $1 million question. We obtain both time glucose and fructose. But how to separate it? Achha, while cooling, the alcohol is added to the reaction mixture. Then what happens with this? Achha, which is more soluble? Because aldehyde and ketone mein, which is having more hydrogen bonding? Aldehydes. Because aldehydes are more electron withdrawing. More soluble. अच्छा, more soluble substances are crystallized first one. So we can separate different techniques from it. Because suitable solvent in organic chemistry we discuss special techniques for separation of organic solids, crystallization and fractional crystallization techniques. When two organic solids are there, how can you separate two organic solids by using fractional crystallization? At room temperature, which is a less soluble, can be crystallized first one. Achha, glucose, fructose being more soluble in alcohol remains in the solution. This is one of the technique we use, fractional crystallization. Among the fractional crystallization, the substance which is less soluble crystallized out first, crystallizes first. Again, repeat the same experiment for the remaining solution, and the latter fructose crystallizes first. because both are organic solids only na. Two organic solids are separated by fractional crystallization technique. Crystals of glucose separated by filtration. The remaining is nothing but fructose. Acha, from starch. Acha, starch lo unde monomer units only glucose. Alpha D glucose anta manam inka special ga cheppalante. Starch lo unna monomer units only alpha D glucose. Inke undadu maniki only alpha D glucose. Of course, starch lo maniki two parts unnayi maniki gurtunde ledo. Amylopectin, amylose. Amylose lo gaani linear chain emo amylose, amylopectin branch chain untundi. We discuss separately in starch structure. And this is starch. Hydrolysis only gives alpha D glucose. Only gives alpha D glucose. Because separation chance is there. Glucose and fructose is separate. The two different compounds separate solids. But it is containing only monomer in starch is nothing but alpha D glucose. Only alpha D glucose. In case of any impurities occur, you can add activated charcoal, color diffuser, remove it. Because adsorption risk. Next. Achha, structure of glucose object. My already discussed with you. You remember glucose is 3RH. Open chain structure first we are going to discuss. Open chain structure. अच्छा देखो स्ट्रक्चर अब देखो these are common points है molecular formula is C6H12O6 है अच्छा this so many times asked in need examination so many times how you confirm the straight chain structure of the glucose how you can confirm because heating with HI it forms an hexane अच्छा దీన్ని C6H12O6 ని HI red phosphorus to each cheste we get an hexane. Matlab it is a side chain compound only because ring chain compounds are not easily open only. If side chain compound then it converted into an hexane only. Acha for your kind of information aldehyde gaani ketone gaani alcohol gaani HI red phosphorus to alkanes e vastayi. Alkane chapter lo meer chadivuntam mana special ga reducing character of HI and red phosphorus chadivuntam. HI red phosphorus to alcohol gaani ketone gaani carboxylic acid gaani esters gaani HI to alkane vastayi manaki because open chain compound gives this an alkane. This reaction clearly indicates that it is a side chain compound only. Acha, which of the following property decides that glucose is a side chain compound? This property decides that glucose is a side chain compound. Right? Remember 3RH. Remember 3RH. Acha, n-hexane is formed and equation is given. N-hexane is formed. N-hexane is formed. Matlab it is a side chain compound only. First conclusion side chain compound only. N-hexane. Acha, glucose react with hydroxylamine to form a oxames. Acha, this indication what? We know in carbonyl compound one of the reaction is whenever either ketone or aldehyde. Ketone avachchu aldehyde avachchu. Hydroxylamine to naga reaction jarigite corresponding oxames are formed. Additional elimination reaction antam aldehyde compound. Additional elimination reactions are coming. So we can get a R C R dash double bond NOH. अच्छा मतलब ये देख लीजिए हाइड्रोक्सिलामीन तो रिएक्शन जरिए फॉर्म्स है अच्छा साइनो गिव साइनोहाइड्रिन अंटाम हाइड्रोक्सिलामीन to form oxames अंटाम చూడండి हाइड्रोक्सिलामीन అంటే oxame this is called oxames अंटाम HCN తో రియాక్షన్ అయితే సైనోహైడ్రిన్ అంటాం మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో HCN తో ఎసిటల్డిహైడ్ react with HCN. React with HCN. अच्छा देखो O minus దగ్గర H plus యాడ్ అవుతుంది కార్బన్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియెంట్ దగ్గర Cn minus యాడ్ అవుతుంది సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్ O minus దగ్గర H యాడ్ అవ్వాలి పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి కార్బన్ పాజిటివ్ కాబట్టి Cn minus యాడ్ అవ్వాలి దిస్ కాల్ సైనోహైడ్రిన్ అంటాం ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సైనోహైడ్రిన్ అంటాం ఫర్దర్ హైడ్రాక్స్ చేస్తే లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఆఫ్ కోర్స్. దిస్ కాల్ అంటే మనకి హైడ్రాక్సిలైమిన్ తో ఆక్సైమ్ HCN తో కనుక సైనో కాంపౌండ్ ఫామ్ అయితే కన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏంటి COO అన్నట్టు. COO అన్నట్టు కన్ఫర్మేషన్. అంటే ఈ రియాక్షన్ హైడ్రాక్సిలైమిన్ కానీ HCN కానీ యాడ్ చేసినప్పుడు కరస్పాండింగ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఆక్సైమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, సైనోహైడ్రిన్ వస్తున్నాయి. మతలబ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంటైనింగ్ ద ఆర్గానిక్ కాంపౌండ్ కంటైనింగ్ COO గ్రూప్ అని ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ COO because this is confirmation test for COO also. Next. अच्छा that నేను చెప్పిన ఈక్వేషన్ రాస్తున్నారు. ఆక్సైమ్స్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుందో చూపిస్తున్నారు. అది చూడండి ఆక్సైమ్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎడిషన్ ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్ COO NOH అంటారు. ఎడిషన్ ఎలిమినేషన్ రియాక్షన్. అది ఇప్పుడు HCN తో ఇక్కడ మనకి నేను రాశాను చూడండి ఈక్వేషన్ HCN తో. HCN ఆక్సిజన్ దగ్గర హైడ్రోజన్ రావాలి, కార్బన్ దగ్గర CN రావాలి. కార్బన్ దగ్గర CN రావాలి, అక్కడ OH రావాలి. అంటే నేను ఏదైతే బ్రీఫ్ గా రాశానో వాళ్ళు డీటెయిల్ గా రాశాను COO మనం ఎలా రాసామో అలా. అంటే ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ రివీజ్ దిస్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్ రివీజ్ దట్ గ్లూకోజ్ హ్యావింగ్ COO గ్లూకోజ్ హ్యావింగ్ COO గ్రూప్. Achha, this is a very much important time. Previously asked, I think 2020 NEET examination or 2019 NEET examination, this question asked. I think you remember or not. Bromine water, this is called reduced sugar property. Not only bromine water, you can use silver mirror also. Achha, Tolley's reagent also you can use, no problem. The same reaction. Achha, here I am writing. Not only bromine water, you can also fading solution also you can use. Silver mirror also, Tolley's reagent also you can use. Tolley's reagent also you can use. Because Tolley's reagent mild oxidizing agent only. Mild అంటే CHO COH అవ్వాలి. COO కాదు మైల్డ్ అయితే. అలానే మైల్డ్ అయితే ఆల్కహాల్ యాసిడ్ గా కన్వర్ట్ అవ్వదు. మైల్డ్ అయితే స్ట్రాంగ్ అయితే కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి Tolley's reagent కానీ బ్రోమిన్ వాటర్ కానీ ఫేడింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్. మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇది కూడా COH అవ్వాలి. సపోజ్ నేను ఇక్కడ HNO తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, డైరెక్ట్ గా HNO స్ట్రాంగ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్. HNO ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఇది COH అవుతుంది, సాక్రిక్ యాసిడ్ అవుతుంది. CHOH టేకెన్ 4 times, ఇది కూడా COH అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండు కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది స్ట్రాంగ్ యాసిడ్ తీసుకుంటే, స్ట్రాంగ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ తీసుకుంటే. బ్రోమిన్ వాటర్ కావచ్చు, టోలిన్స్ ఏజెంట్ కావచ్చు, ఫెలింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ కావచ్చు, మైల్డ్ ఆక్సిడైజింగ్ ఏజెంట్ కాబట్టి సో ఏ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఈ ఫామ్ అయ్యే కాంపౌండ్ గురించి అడిగారు. గ్లూకోనిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడేమో సాక్రిక్ యాసిడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఐ థింక్ 2019 లో కానీ 20 లో కానీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు నీట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో, బయోమాలిక్యూల్లోనే. అంటే కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీ కూడా అడుగుతారు, అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను కంప్లీట్ కెమికల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఇండివిజువల్ స్టెప్ కూడా అడగడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, because NCERT given each and every step is given here. That's what I am explaining completely NCERT based the line to line I am going to explain it. देखो मैंने अच्छा ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट देखो, स्ट्रांग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट लाइक HNO3, देखो सैक्रिक एसिड. अच्छा when gluconic acid है, when saccharic acid है, you need to remember it. When saccharic acid है and gluconic acid है, right? अच्छा, this kind of question previously asked, recently asked only. अच्छा, difference I think they are showing difference. देखो they are showing difference. देखो they are showing difference. Like strong oxidizing agent है saccharic acid है. अच्छा, mild oxidizing agent है gluconic. अच्छा, gluconic acid मल्ला oxidize చేస్తే saccharic ఏ రావాలి. These are very important. याद करो, glucose commercially prepared from starch, large quantity, because commercial అంటే మీకు సుక్రోజ్ నుంచి కమర్షియల్ రాదుగా, గ్లూకోజ్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ రెండు వస్తాయి, మనం సపరేట్ చేయాలంటే బోల్డ్ ఖర్చు అవుతుంది, ఎకనామికల్లీ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంది. బట్ యూ కెన్ ప్రిపేర్ ఇట్, laboratory method, that is not economical, means starch same you can prepare large scale because all are glucose only, no need to separate it. The obtained product is completely glucose, right? Hydrous of sucrose, both kada, glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose. And which of the following is not a sugar? Cellulose is a polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is a non-sugar form. And now cyclic structure. I think tomorrow we are going to discuss cyclic structure. Let me finish this one. Achha, for example, glucose in acylation chestane. Just one point I am concluded. Achha, before that, देखो pentaacetyl derivative will be formed. Pentaacetyl derivative is formed. Achha, don't confuse. I will tell you. Don't confuse. I will tell you. No need to mug up all these values only. Mug up all the values only. अच्छा, suppose मैंने इथेनॉल अल्कोहल लिया. इथेनॉल अल्कोहल दिया. अच्छा, एसाइलेशन किया. एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड का नहीं, एसिटिक क्लोराइड का नहीं देना सर. एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड का नहीं, एसिटिक क्लोराइड का नहीं. अच्छा, क्या करना? इंस्टेड ऑफ वन हाइड्रोजन वन एसिटिक ग्रुप इज रिप्लेस. अच्छा, C2H5 वो COC కదా ఎస్టర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది కదా. యాసిడ్ ఆల్కహాల్ ఎస్టర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అంతే కదా. ఒక OH గ్రూప్ ఉంటే ఒక SI గ్రూప్ రిప్లేస్ అయింది. ఒకవేళ రెండు OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటే రెండు SS ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి. మూడు OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటే మూడు ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి. అక్కడ ఇక్కడ పెంటాఎసిటైల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఫామ్ అయిందంటే దీనిలో 5 OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నట్టే కదా. తెలియదు, గ్లూకోజ్ అనుకుందాం, మనకి తెలియదు. మనకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి స్ట్రక్చర్ రాసామేనా, తెలియకుండా ప్రొడక్ట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం పెంటాఎసిటైల్ డెరివేటివ్. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ గ్లూకోజ్ లో 5 OH గ్రూప్స్ ఉన్నాయని. అంటే 5 OH గ్రూప్ డిటెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలంటే ఎసైలేషన్ చేయాలి. ఎసైలేషన్ అంటే ఎసిటిక్ ఎనహాయిడ్రైడ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎసిటిక్ క్లోరైడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఈ ఎంటైర్ పాయింట్ రివీల్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. అంటే పెంటాఎసిటైల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఫామ్ అయింది కాబట్టి కన్ఫర్మ్స్ ది ప్రెజెన్స్ ఆఫ్ 5 OH గ్రూప్స్. టెట్రా ఫామ్ అయితే 4A, ట్రైఫామ్ అయితే 2, సరే 3, డైఫామ్ అయితే 2, మోనోఫామ్ అయితే 1. సో గ్లూకోజ్ ని ఎసైలేషన్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి పెంటాఎసిటైల్ డెరివేటివ్ ఫామ్ అయింది, పెంటాఎసిటైల్ ఫామ్ అయింది కాబట్టి 5 OH గ్రూప్స్ కన్ఫర్మేషన్ చేసుకున్నారు. కన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ 5 OH గ్రూప్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ టెస్ట్ వన్. అచ్చా, నో నీడ్ టు మగ్ అప్ ఆల్ దిస్, సింపుల్ థింగ్. ఎన్ని OH ఉంటే అన్ని ఎసిటైల్ డెరివేటివ్స్ వస్తాయి. ఒక OH ఉంటే 1 వస్తే 2, 2 ఉంటే 2 వస్తాయి, 3 ఉంటే 3 వస్తాయి. Acha, later I discuss. This is a ring chain structure. I discuss like that. Glucose 3RH na. I already said discuss 3RH hai. देखो 3RH. अच्छा, gluconic acid, that is leave it. Gluconic acid and saccharic acid hai. Structures of this one. Acha, now what are the objections of open chain structure? How ring structure is proposed? Next class we are going to discuss. Right? Chalo.